So we got an iPhone 4S here. It's got the broken screen, so we'll fix that out. First things first, we gotta turn off the phone. Remove the bottom screws. I've actually already just removed them, so next we just remove the back cover for it. Next, it's we just basically remove the battery connector. Okay. And unplug the battery. Okay, there's also this particular bracket thing that goes there. Next is we're gonna remove the shield cover just so we can plug in our replacement screen and test it out before we actually put it in place, because if it's defective we don't want to need it work twice. Okay, so right, so basically just start out by pulling it out like that. Next is unplug the digitizer and then unplug the LCD. Okay, so that's done. Here's our replacement screen, and we're just gonna try it out. Okay, so that's done. So we'll just plug the battery back in and power it up. Okay, so far so good. So we'll see what happens. We can also remove the SIM card while we wait for it too.